All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you guys some tips and tricks about how to install recessed lightings, things you're going to want to know before you do this, things you're going to need. All right, so this thing right here that I got, 6-inch hole saw hooked up to a cardboard box. That's so you don't make a mess everywhere. You don't have to copy my ideas or do what I'm saying. I'm just trying to give you guys some tips and tricks. Have a laser handy. You could just turn it on, run it down. You don't have to have this. Measuring tape, measure the distance where you want your holes to be. You can use a painter's tape so that way you don't mark the wall and have to paint it again. I usually just use a pen because I think I can get it on point within that distance. So wire nuts you're going to need, Romex wire. A fish is handy so you could fish through the wall. What this is, you put your Romex wire on the tip right there, tape it with some electrical tape around there and fish it with the wire. That way you don't have to break a bunch of holes in the wall. You can fish this sucker down. This unravels and then it's called a fish. You can find them at your local hardware store, about 10-15 bucks. They're not much. Disc lights. Bought these disc lights off Amazon. So for about $95, you can buy 24 of these on Amazon. If you go to the big box store, they're charging about 20 bucks a piece. So, and also they make them with like a little black ring around here. That's somewhat new style going on right now. These come with a junction box. I'm not advertising these for them. I just use these in all my flip houses, and they're cheap and they work great. So I'm letting you know about it. It's got 4 different little like icons here or whatever. You could switch it from like cool white, warm white. I can't even see because I'm getting old, but it's on there. Whatever the hell it says, that's what it does, all right? If I could read it, I would read it to you, but I can't. All right, anyways, so I think that's about it. This saves you from making a mess, and I think I went over everything. So if anybody else on here has some tips or tricks and they've seen the video, leave a comment and let people know about your tips or tricks so people could learn. Nobody knows everything. You got to take criticism when you suck.